One of the areas that I consider pretty valuable in Bridge is favorites right over here. Now remember, some of these things are already there for you. Computer, this is my hard drive, desktop, documents, and pictures. Let's do one quick review here. If I go up to Preferences, now that would be under Edit on a Windows system, and go into Preferences General, the reason this stuff is over here is because it's checked here. I get most of my favorites by going to the computer and then finding the folders that I need. So if you don't see Computer in Favorites, it's not checked here. If it isn't, go ahead and check it. Click OK. Let's create a scenario here. You're working on a project, and that project involves a lot of things, including the manipulation of images in Adobe Photoshop. So you know where they are, but they're kind of buried deep. You're getting tired of constantly trying to find them, but you don't really want to move the folder to somewhere where it's more accessible because it's linked to some other stuff. That's probably not an unusual circumstance. Adobe understands that, and they give us favorites. The best place I find to get my favorites is from Computer up here. Don't forget, if you don't see that, go to Preferences. These are all my hard drives. Go ahead and ignore these right up here. Sometimes I get in a mood about what my icons look like, and I'm in one of those moods. Let's go to the 2 terabyte external by opening, double-click. I'm going to go into Storage. Now, you could keep digging and digging and digging until literally you'd need a GPS just to find out where you are. This is the folder I think I want, so I'm going to open it. Yeah, that's it. Those are the images I need to work on this project. So I'm going to back myself up. This little button right here allows me to go back. And I'm going to take this folder and drag it into my favorites area. Now watch what you're doing here. If you see a double bracket, you're going to move it in as a subfolder into that folder. I want this all by itself. So I'm going to come down here until I see a nice solid line and then release. And there they are. Anytime you need them. Now another cool thing here. If at any point in time you don't need these anymore because the project's over, you can right-click your mouse and basically remove them from the favorites. Now that's pretty cool. It's not really deleting the files, just removing the link. But there's another one too. It's possible you want to see these images in their original folder, but you don't want to go digging to find it again on your hard drive. You can say Reveal in Finder. And there they are. Favorites are a very important part of this program because they help you control exactly what you need and give you quick access to it when you need it. On to the next.